Okay, so I came back here today to get this Duquesne defrosting, but it does not seem to be running right now. But the Lennox right here would appear to have just defrosted. So it sucks that I missed that. And the Duquesne is not very frozen. But it is in the high 30s right now, so I might be here for about 45 minutes, so it might do it again. It's already freezing up, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just, there's a little band of ice right there. 2,004 ton. And based on its age, I'd say it's probably about a 10 or 11 seer. Could be just a little more than that. I know that one right there is a 13 seer, but and there's a Scotsman refrigerator component or ice maker component. Okay, I'll be back. The Duquesne just kicked on. Hopefully it will run long enough to freeze up, defrost, steam, and then come back on in heat mode. So now both of these are running. Yeah, this one's already freezing back up. And again, this one is a 2014 5-ton 13-seer with R410A refrigerant and the Copeland scroll compressor. And I think this one has the Copeland scroll as well, but kind of hard to tell. And this one has an Interlink fan motor, and this one has a GE fan motor. This one might defrost again within the next 30 minutes. Don't know. But I already got a video of this one defrosting once, but it was a very short one, so I'd like to go for a longer defrost cycle. Now, the problem with the Duquesne is this one doesn't normally run long enough to freeze up, as if the Lennox actually does. I mean, sometimes it might shut off, but it definitely runs a lot longer than the Duquesne. But still, I doubt this has demand defrost, so this one might go in the defrost fairly quickly. That's getting nice and hot. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so the Lennox seems to be a little more frozen than it was when I first got here, and the Duquesne seems to well, I can't tell if it's freezing up or not, but This one's probably going to be difficult to catch in defrost. Air-cooled. NSER. Oh, this one just shut off. I have no idea what NSER stands for. Gosh. This one's probably going to come back on within the next few minutes. Damn it, all the ice is going to melt off. Okay, I'm going to shut off my camera to save the battery. Out.